Hello guys, welcome to another video of C example. In this video, we will discuss about palindrome number. So first, let's understand what is a palindrome number. So if the reverse of a number is same as the number, then it is a palindrome number. Or in other words, we can say a palindrome number is a number that reads the same forward and backward. So for example, here we have 11 and its reverse is also 11. So it is a palindrome number. While in this other example, here we have 123 and its reverse is 321, which is not the same, so it is not a palindrome. Now let's consider this another example. Here we have 3543 and we know its reverse is 3543, which is not the same as the number, so it is not a palindrome. But we want our program to tell us whether it is palindrome or not. So first we need to get the last value. So how we can get the last value? So if we divide any number by 10, then it will give the remainder equals to its last value. So here if we divide 3453 by 10, then it remainder will be 3, which is the last value, and we can store it in the reverse number first value. Now we need to eliminate the last value because we want to access the second last value. So when we divided 3453 by 10, it gave us result of 345. And we can divide it again and it will give another value. And we will continue this process to get all the values and store them in our reverse number until the number becomes 0. So now we know the logic. Let's code it in our program. Here in our program, first we need to create a variable to store our number. So create a variable int number. Then to store our reminder, we will create int reminder and another variable to store our reverse number. Now we have created all the variables. Let's simply print a message showing that enter a number. To read the input, we will use scanf function, and to store it in our number variable, we will use and number. Now we have user input. Let's create a while loop. So while number is not equal to 0, while number is not equal to 0, then we will execute the loop. So first we need to store the reminder. So reminder value will be stored in reminder. So reminder equals number %10. Now we need to divide the number by 10 because we want to remove the last value. So number equals number divided by 10. Now to store our reverse number, let's create reverse number equals reverse number plus reminder. So first value will be 0 because reverse value number value have not assigned, and also multiply it by 10 reverse. So why we multiplied it by 10? Let's understand. So here we have loop number, first loop, second loop, third loop. For example, here we have 121. So in the first loop, the value will be 0 multiply 10 plus 1, so it will be 1. And then 1 multiply by 10, so it will 10 plus 2, 12. And then 12 multiply 10, 121. So that's why we multiplied reverse number by 10. So it will execute the code until the number becomes 0. Now after the loop is executed, the number has become 0. So we need to use another variable to store the number value because we can't compare number because it's 0. So we will compare our variable c with the reverse number. So here we will create if condition. So if c equals reverse number, then we will print is palindrome, else we will print is not palindrome or not palindrome. 5.Palindrome. Now let's run our program and enter 121. It says is palindrome. Let's enter another value 123. It says not palindrome. So it's working properly. That's it for this palindrome number program.